can learn from that. Basically, this one is basically saying that, which I'm going to show like a agentic loop to help me develop and publish any for the product I want to do. Because I already utilize the AI coding to deliver, and some of them are delivered by this agent OS system. I'm just thinking how this thing can be scalable, right? If I'm not thinking about a certain area, also doing a development work, can the agent to find some problem that worth solving, and then go through the whole product iteration loop. Like first thing, the product design. Second thing, you do the coding development. Third thing, you do the go-to-market distribute, right? And get a user feedback. So everything is kind of loop. When every company, whether it's tech company or startup company, they are doing the similar thing, right? So I'm just thinking, can this thing be all fully automated by the agent? Then I created this thing called the agentic loop. And you're going to start with basically a product design agent, trying to see which problem we wanted to design in which field, right? And they're going to collect a bunch of information from that. And once they get the information, they're thinking this is a problem worth solving. Then basically going to pass those information like a PRD, product requirement document. If you're doing the product development in the high-tech company, that's the critical document you need to generate. And then that document is going to be passed down to the coding agent. Coding agent is going to code the front end and back end, agent harness, and then based on that document, then also automatically deploy online. You basically have access to the front end server. You can do all kinds of things. And then basically you're going to generate a website for you to use or your user to use. And then after you finish that, another agent called a go-to-market agent. What is this agent going to do is also very amazing. It's actually based on your potential user profile. It's going to find online whether there's a forum, there's a community, or there's some website I can interact or basically reach those people. And this agent is going to register for that website, going to some of the Reddits like forum and have his own account, start talk to people or start to get information that people are talking about. It's basically kind of like a human can do. And then basically once they got all the information, it can feed back those information to your product development and coding agent and start to generate some